Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. So given we have the function fx, which is the piecewise function, sketch the graph for the fx. So kindly refers to the graph. So based on the situation given, we have the -4. Let's say here -1, -2, -3, -4. So if we substitute -4 into this part, if x is equals to -4, the value of y will be equals to 15. So here, let's say -4, and then let's say here we have more than 15. Continue. If let's say where we substitute 0, if x is equals to 0, then we will have the -1. So let's say here -1, then we have the empty circle because it's not included. What if y is equals to 0? So we have -4x, -1 equals to 0. So x will be equals to -1 over 4. So means that 0.25. So let's say the location over here. So we have the coordinate. So -4, 15. We have the coordinate. Let's say we have -1 over 4, 0. So kindly sketch the graph. So here we have the graph. Y is equals to -4x, -1. So kindly plot the situation. So in here we have -1 over 4, 0. Next is to sketch the exponential graph. So now we are going to focusing on the e to the power of 2x minus 1. If we substitute 0 in here, so automatically we will have the situation when x is equals to 0, then the value of y will be e to the power -1. By referring to the calculator, we have almost 0.36, something like that. So let's say here we have 1. So here will be the point included, where we have 0, e, -1. And then continue. Based on the situation, we have the positive x. So the graph will be something like this. So that is the graph. Y is equals to exponent 2x minus the 1. So make sure we have label x and y, and then including the point of intersection. Number 2, state the range of the fx. So based on the situation, so here we have the range. So it refers to the graph. The range for the f would be start from -1, which is the minimum point, until the maximum where we have exponent. Okay, because x greater than 0, so this one will still moving up. So that is the range. Number 3, evaluate the f row f bracket. We have the -1. Firstly, substitute the -1 into the f. So if we refer to this part, we have the -1. -1 means that we are trying to make use of this function. So -4 bracket -1 minus the 1. So in here we will have 4 minus the 1, we have 3. So f3, continue, make use of the second function. So we will have e, and then 2 multiplied with the 3 minus the 1. So we will have e to the power of 5. So that is the f row f bracket -1. Continue with the b. The function g and f are given by follow. Where a and b are non-zero constant, given that we have the f row g bracket 2, which is equals to -5, and we have the g row f bracket 2, which is equals to -29. Kindly substitute the situation. F row g, so means that substitute the 2 into the g, where we have 4 minus the 6. So in here we have f bracket -2. So if we substitute the -2 into the f, so here we will have the situation 4 and then minus the 2a and then plus the b equals to -5. So kindly rearrange the situation given. So here we will have 9, which is equals to 2a minus with the b. So that is the first equation. Second equation, substitute the situation here 2 into this part. So we will have 4 plus with the 2a plus with the b. Continue. Substitute this part into the g, where we have 4 minus the 3 bracket 4 plus with the 2a plus with the b. So kindly expand. So we have 4 minus the 12 minus the 6a minus the 3b equals to -29. So based on this case, we have -8. So if we have -8, 29 minus the 8, which is equals to 6a plus with the 3b. So 21 equals to 6a plus with the 3b. Divide by 3, so we have 7. we have 2a, and then we have the b. So here we have the second equation. So kindly make use of the first and second equation. Number 1 plus with the number 2. So 9 plus with the 7, we have 16. 2a plus with the 2a, we have 4a. So a is equals to 4. Substitute a equals to 4 into number 1. So 9 is equals to 8 minus the b. So b will be equals to -1.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think the video is useful, kindly consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.